Welcome to my channel Khan Marketing, and today I will discuss about very important topic, that is Clickbank for beginners in 2019. If you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you my journey from $0 to $1000 per day. So click the subscribe button below and the bell icon button so that you get notified when I produce new videos for you. So let's start it with today's topic, that is what is Clickbank. Clickbank is actually a marketplace where vendors promote their products through affiliates. We generally work as an affiliate in the Clickbank and promotes the vendor's product to other people using different methods. And in this video I will show you one of the method that you could use and make money online. However, you should know one specific thing about Clickbank is that it is actually a digital marketplace. You could find videos, tutorials, ebooks, and anything that is included in the definition of the digital. However, if you want to promote physical products, I suggest you to visit Amazon.com, where you could find millions of the physical products. Amazon is the world's largest e-commerce store. In this video I will show you about the Clickbank. However, in future videos I will show you more about how you can promote Amazon's product and make money. So let's move to the affiliate marketplace. And here you could see that there are different categories out there, and you could work on any category and make money online. However, I suggest you to work on e-business and e-marketing. There are also different subcategories as well. And the second one is health and fitness, which is a $1 billion niche, and you could work on any subcategory. And the third one is parenting and families. You could work on any sub niche in parenting and families. I generally prefer to work on e-business and e-marketing because I have knowledge about this niche and I like to work on that niche. So if you like to work on health and fitness niche and you have knowledge about that niche, then go on with health and fitness or with the parenting and families. There are other niches you could work, but they are very limited in terms of customers and with the products. So let's start with the e-business and e-marketing. And the first and my second point is how to choose the right Clickbank product. And here you could see that filter out there with different parameters, and I generally prefer to filter those things using gravity. Gravity is actually a number which tells us about how much affiliates have sold the particular product in the last 3 months. So if this product has a gravity of 98, it means 98 affiliates have made sales of this product in the last 3 months. However, it didn't tell us that an affiliate has made how much sales in the last 3 months. It just gives us the number of affiliates who have made sales in the last 3 months. So this is average dollars per sale. So it means if you sell this product, you could expect to earn $31 just by selling one product. And this product, you could see it has a far better commission rate And let's see this, $461 per item if you sell it. It also has a gravity of 68. Generally, I prefer to use a product that has a gravity above 50, and it also offers a commission of at least $40. So this product has all the parameters above than my requirement, so I choose this product. I choose also this product too, and you could also find other products as well. There are literally tens or even thousands of pages, but you shouldn't and let's look at you could generally reduce your gravity criteria, but I generally prefer to use above 40 or even Clickbank University. It is also a very good product. Average sale price it is $179 and it has a gravity of 29. So I generally pick this product also. So my next step is build your foundation. Now you have selected the niche and products in it. It's time to start your build your foundation. Build your foundation. Foundation is your website, and using your website you write reviews or you provide informational articles on your website, and when people find your website they will buy it from you. So website is the main foundation of your business, and if you could see on the web, let's suppose how to make money online. So it means someone typed that words in the Google, it has a desire to make money online. So he could move to the top 3-4 websites and looking for the information about how to make money online. So if you write healthy and helpful information about those products on your website, people will pay attention to your recommendation and actually buy products from you. So creating a website is very important, and once you have thousands of visitors on your websites on a daily basis, you could expect to earn $1,000 per day. I know people are making thousands of dollars per day from their websites. If you do not know about whether I am telling it right or not, then you could move to the flipper.com and empireflippers.com. These are marketplaces where people sell their websites to other people, so you could get the idea about the website worth. So if we move to the marketplace, affiliate, and you could see that this website is making monthly profit of $51,000 per month. You could imagine this website is making $28,000 per month. This is website is built on health and wellness niche and is making $20,000 per month. So you could imagine that the potential in affiliate marketing. In Flipper, you could also navigate around and find websites that are making thousands of dollars per month. I hope you get the idea. So website is the main foundation for your business. Once you have thousands of visitors, You just do not have to write just two articles and sit and wait for the people to come. No, no, no. You have to build authority in that niche. How could you build an authority? By producing regular useful information for your visitors. So finding keywords about in your niche and then producing great quality content for your website. And with the passage of time, when you promote your business using SEO techniques, I will cover those SEO techniques in my future videos. You will see that people will come on your websites and your authority will eventually rise and your commission and your earning will start to come. So that is very important. So I hope you get the idea. Build your foundation. Start attracting visitors to your website. I have already covered this, but again, how could you attract visitors? The only answer is by producing useful content for your website. The more keywords, the more topic you cover on your website, the more visitors you could expect for your business. And the more visitors for your business, the more revenue you could earn from those visitors. So writing quality content. So quality means you need to produce the content that has everything included in that topic. So let's suppose if you want to make money online, generally you prefer to read an article which covers everything about making money online. Even for people who are who want to make investment, or people who do not have investment and want to make a free methods for making money online. So you need to cover everything for your visitors, and your topic should be well detailed and in depth, and Google loves those articles that are well detailed and in depth, and generally prefer to rank those articles well on its first page. So keep that in mind. Number 5, monetize it using your affiliate links. When you have your website, when you have your content, when you have your traffic coming in on those pages, it's time to start making money online. You could use those affiliate links. Just click on, when you sign into this website and you are promoting someone product super affiliate system, you could click on this promote button and grab your affiliate link here and insert in on your website. And when people buy that product using your affiliate link, you will earn a commission. So if you sell one product daily, you could expect to earn $461 per day. So indeed, the more content, the more products you are promoting, the more commission you will be making. So I hope you get the idea, and if you do not get the idea, you do not know about this concept, don't worry. I am giving you a link in the description box, so just click the link in the description box below and start making money online. This is a great platform, and I am also using this platform from the last 4 years, and you could find everything. You could find everything from A to Z about how you can start your journey and make a full-time income from home. So that's all for today video, and in the next video we will cover more about how you could earn more. Thank you.